So how to declutter your devices, get rid of these, and do yourself a favor and invest in these instead. They're sturdier. External hard drives, portable drives, pocket drives, whatever you call them, get some. There are tons of them in different colors and sizes and brands and storage capacities, and they all serve, of course, a different purpose. At our studio, we store a lot of stuff: raw footage and edited videos, pictures, documents, blog content, basically everything that's important to us and our clients. But I also have drives with all my personal stuff too, like photos from my phone, tons and tons of photos, like this one of my dog, Lady Dove, behind the scenes pictures of my teams, they rock. Ooh, is that a swimsuit? Glad that wasn't a bikini shot, let's delete that. By storing items on dedicated drives, you free up your space on your phone, and who doesn't love that? More room to capture new memories. You gotta be dedicated when organizing your files. So that means developing a system that is consistent, one that works for you. If you're good with numbers and dates, then go ahead and use a date system to log your items. As for me, I love words. I bet you would have guessed that. So I log my footage according to names. The most important thing is keep it simple, sweetie. Setting up and sticking to a transfer routine and backing up your files, they're all critical. So take a day, back up your material on a cloud server or even, you guessed it, a drive. Mobile apps can also be your #1 enemy. I mean, how many times have you gone onto an app store, downloaded an app that you thought you would use and you never did? And guess what? It remains on your system. I do it, I'm guilty, and I bet some of you are. But the best way to keep your favorite apps at your fingertips is to put the most used ones on your homepage, so as soon as you unlock your phone, voila, they are there, right and easily accessible. And if you're a tech junkie and you have an app for everything, you can group them together in common folders. You can name each folder with a suitable heading, or you can even use emojis, they're so much fun, to label them. And please, 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 I beg you, delete those mobile apps that you never use. There's no mobile rainy day that you could possibly be saving them for. Now that your phones are breathing a little bit easier, let's head over to your computer and, of course, your laptop. You know, those folders, the ones where you put everything in. So let's check it off. Downloads, yup. Trash, yup. Desktop, yup. Those are the culprits. They can eat up your storage and make everything just really sluggish. That's why everything moves at a much slower pace. It's because you have 40 gigs of files in your trash. Let's head over to your downloads. Don't forget to get rid of the stuff that no longer serves you. As for your crowded desktop, having too many files there uses up your RAM and once again slows down your computer. If you're always dumping stuff on there and your desktop looks something like this, take the time to go through and delete anything that you do not need anymore. And I bet sometimes that's going to be a lot of stuff. Here's another super easy tip. If you're short on time, create a to sort folder and drag it from your desktop to your documents where you can access it and sort it at a later time.